we are greeting our second company, and this company is Zhongshan StarKing Light Company. Okay, hi, I'm Jane.
Hello, this
I'm
is
Jane. Oliver, hi.
Yes.
I'm from Lightstrade GILE, and today is our cross tour on site, special event. Okay, would you like to hold this one?
Okay,
this,
okay.
Yeah, and talk to
Okay,
you.
okay.
Thank you. Oliver, would you like to give us a brief introduction of your company and the product and everything you want to show in like 10 minutes? Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Here you go.
Okay, now you can see our product.
Oh.
Our main product is LED Christmas light.
Yeah.
And we can make some motif like a 2D or 3D type. Like this type you can see for the LED tree light.
Sorry.
We can customize for every shape and size for our client.
I see. It's very typical for Christmas, and now it's August, so you are very busy shipping.
Yeah, now it's busy now.
Busy shipping. Good for that. Continue, please.
And we can depend on our clients to make different material, and in different place we will choose different material for our clients. So if our clients like this type of product, we can contact together.
Good, very good. So this one, if you're shipping this product, would you like to ship this tree or just the band?
This type we can make many parts to deliver.
Oh, okay, great. That's great. Okay. Any other product?
Here.
Yeah.
First, this one.
Oh.
Like this one, this is made for our Chinese New Year.
Chinese New Year.
Yeah.
Lunar year. Yeah.
On the street, some government to buy this to the pole. Put this on the pole. Okay.
It's very of a Chinese traditional.
Yeah. And inside you can see here. Like this type is snowflake light.
Snowflake.
Now some clients they buy this for Amazon. And online to show, and for some wholesale type.
Wholesale type.
Yeah.
I can see.
Yeah.
So may I ask about the price?
Yes. This is not too expensive. Around $20.
Yeah, $20 to $30. I bet this price is very competitive.
Yeah. And we can make so many shape. Later I can show you our catalog for you to see it.
Sure. Thank you.
This is the moon. You can see this look like the moon.
Yeah,
this is for some Arab company. They like this type motif.
Oh yes, Arab company.
And this is for some supermarket when they for the decoration. Okay. And this here is for some garden. They buy this for the garden too.
Can put them in the courtyard.
Yeah, yard, yes.
It's quite vivid, just like a real plant is growing.
Yeah, we have many plants for this type of light. They just buy this to put in the yard or garden.
So if it's lighted, it's lit. Will be a pink one, right?
Yeah. We have make a different color.
Different color,
different material. Because this type they make this material for milky color.
Oh, milky color.
Yeah. And this can use a controller to change another color.
Oh yes. So it's a special plastic.
Yeah.
And they have a lifespan, like
this
3 years.
Around the lifespan around
1 or 2.
30,000 hours.
Oh, 30,000 hours.
For our product, we have make for around more than 4 years.
More than 4 years.
Because this is take from our showroom from our factory.
So I can see the quality is durable because you have run it for 4 years and the checkable.
Yes, because our product is more for the project. So they are more focused on the quality.
They don't want to replace it one by one for case by case.
Now this is air ball, you can see.
Yeah, it's a light bulb shape.
Yes. And we make many shape of this light to Europe for
decoration, festival. Yeah, many things to applications. Yeah. Okay, I can see that because you have already on the Amazon or some e-commerce platform, right?
Our clients to buy our product to in the Amazon or
Amazon.
eBay,
Oh, I can see. That's good. So how about the minimum of order? Minimum MOQ.
MOQ.
Yeah.
Different product have different. Like this one. This is named Icicle light.
Icicle.
We can make 2 meter wide and
2 meter wide.
1 meter height. Around this type of way, we can. The MOQ is around 200.
200.
200 pieces.
200. Okay, that's great. So the delivery time, I think it is more than or less than 1 month, 30 days or.
Maybe
days.
if they buy more like this 3D type, I think around more than 1 month.
Oh, I see. Because that's the difficult one.
Yes,
to
you know,
produce.
People buy this for Christmas.
Yeah.
Oh, this time it's so busy in factory.
Yeah, I see. That's good. Would you like to have some name card or contact or? Yeah, please show us in the camera and the people. Okay.
Okay, this is my name card. If you like our product, you can contact with me. Okay.
So the scan code is your WeChat?
It's our website.
Website. Oh, that's great.
My phone number is my WeChat number.
Yeah.
Okay.
So everyone, if you want to contact this company, you can contact directly or contact the Lightstrade, and we will forward your information to this company. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Oliver. Thank you for your.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much for your introduction. See you later. See you around. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Bye.